Okay guys, we are back now. I'm gonna hit a button because there's a pipe we can fill up. Okay, that pipe leads to somewhere and I need to find out where it is. Might lead us somewhere good. That just moves there. We're just like the mystery machine. Oh, that sucks! Again. Blackmail me. Let's see. Let's see here. There we go. There we go. Nice green. Now, let's see if we can do something over here. Yeah, this is something really new. What the heck? Okay, that was a glitch. Wow. That was creepy. Okay, we'll stop right there. That was great.